Bonjour, mes amis. I wanted to let you guys know that I've started a new series on my channel. It's going to be the food series. So if you want to see more of unique themed food looks, check out this playlist up here. And yeah, let's get started. Starting off with my concealer to outline the shape of my burger and fries. Almost orange, and then this like dusty type of color to make my buns. I'm gonna use the green and my Beauty Glaze palette for my lettuce. I'm gonna go in with the brown for my burger meat. Now to complete my burger, I'm gonna do the last one. You guys ever tried this Mighty Mango by Naked? They're really good, amazing smoothies. Not sponsored yet, but they're delicious. What is a burger without fries? Don't worry guys, if you are vegan or a vegetarian, this is totally a meal for you. Like the fries are obviously fried in sunflower oil, and the burger meat, it's like that Beyond Burger, you know? It's plant-based, so I got you. I'm gonna move on to my shadows, and I'm gonna use the same type of color scheme. My lashes, I'm gonna be using a shot of whiskey. They are my favorite one. Let me pop those on. Okay, now for my lips, because I have, of course, a lot going on here, I'm gonna go with a neutral color. I've decided to go with Dolce, and I'm gonna use my jelly because I've been liking the juicy, goosey, lustrous look. So we're gonna use those. Voici la look fini. If you liked my food series, burger and fries look, give me a like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye!